Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT memory to create personalized responses. So first of all, you're going to have to get logged into your ChatGPT account. Then you will see a page like this. Now in here, you're going to have to enable a settings. For that, tap onto or click onto your initial from your bottom left-hand side. Then select personalization. If you don't see personalization here, you can also select settings and you will see it there. In my case, I have it right here. So let's go ahead and click onto it. Now make sure that you are under personalization and then scroll below. Now make sure this reference saved memories is turned on and reference chat history is also turned on. This is the page where you can personalize ChatGPT. Then you can tone down or tone up the conversation under characteristics. If you want some warm tone, go ahead and select more or less according to your preference. And likewise under custom instruction, if you are using ChatGPT for coding, you can type in something like, remember that I code in Python or remember that I code in Java. And ChatGPT will remember what you have wrote, and give answers accordingly. Once done, all you have to do is type in your occupation. If you would like to give more information about yourself, type in under more about you. And likewise, guys, don't forget to save it. Once this is done, you may go ahead and ask questions and ChatGPT will create you a personalized response.